Nowadays, mobile phones are essential for us. When we are using iPhone or charging our iPhone, it suddenly starts to restart on its own. It greatly affects our experience. So, how to fix this issue? It's not difficult. Let's continue to find the solutions. Method 1. Force restart iPhone. The relatively simple and easy way is to manually restart your iPhone. It may easily change the current cycle of the iPhone constantly restarting. Method 2. Clear iPhone storage. Storage overload may directly cause the iPhone to enter a state of continuous restarts. Here's a simple guide to clear your iPhone storage. Method 3. Update to the latest iOS version. Updating an iPhone to the latest version can often fix most system vulnerabilities. Method 4. Check analytics data. Can you recall if you have downloaded faulty apps recently? If so, then this is commonly a result from them. Please uninstall them as soon as possible. Method 5. Use MagFone iOS system recovery. If you want a time-saving way to fix the iPhone keeps restarting, then the iOS repair tool MagFone iOS system recovery is appropriate for you. MagFone can solve this problem without data loss at all when you choose the standard repair mode. Method 6. Reset all settings. Clearing all iPhone settings is the most well-advised option when it is unclear which exact setting is incorrect. Method 7. Factory reset iPhone. After factory reset, your iPhone will undoubtedly be restored to its original state, which can help your iPhone function normally again. Method 8. Restore iPhone via iTunes. You can use MagFone iOS system recovery to put your iPhone into recovery mode first, or you can manually do that. iTunes is created by Apple to fix system issues on various Apple devices. You should know that all data on your iPhone will be erased after repairing with iTunes. Finally, there are three other solutions for you. Reinsert the SIM card. Loose or misplaced SIM cards may cause restart issues. You can use a paper pin to remove the SIM card, check it, and then place it correctly in the card slot. Connect to another USB port. If you use USB cables to connect to computers for repairs, the problem often occurs at the computer interface. You can choose to try changing to another interface. Diagnose hardware issues. If you've tried all these methods above, we recommend that you find an Apple repair shop for fixes.